Good day everyone. In this video today I will show you how to make a TikTok video with music. So to do this, what you have to do, open your TikTok app on your phone. So when done, click on the plus icon, which is the one at the bottom right here. As you can see right now, here's the TikTok right here. So the next thing for you to do is just to add sound by clicking on this add sound at the top of the screen. So when done, you can then select any music of your choice right here. You can also search for the music by using the search icon right here. You can then enter the music name. But I won't be using any music right here because of copyright. So when done selecting the music, then you can then come right here. As you can see, if you want to make 10 seconds if you want to make 15 seconds video, click on 15 seconds. As you can see, 60 seconds. As you can see right here, 10 minutes. So you can just select any one of your choice. So you can also press down this button right here, then you start making your video. As you can see right now, I'm making a video right here. So you just do your freestyle and everything. So when done, just click on this top right here. Right now, I'm making a video right here. So you just do your freestyle. Click on next. As you can see, you can add a description to it. Then you click on post. So that's how to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.